He is an American professional basketball player for the Golden State Warriors of the National Basketball Association. Many analyst players have called him the greatest shooter in NBA history. Family. Spouse Ayesha Curry. His mother Sonia Curry. Spouse Ayesha is a Canadian-American actress, cookbook author, and cooking television personality. His brother named Seth Curry. His sister named Sydel Curry. He married Ayesha Curry in 2011. He has 3 children. His father named Dale Curry. Ayesha Curry was born on March 23, 1989. Children and wife. His family. His childhood. His current estimated net worth is $79.8 million. He is widely known for his partnership with the Under Armour, where he is considered to be the face of their footwear line. He and Ayesha Curry paid $31 million for a brand new house in Atherton. His latest real estate move is a record-breaking one. His house is a 3-floor mansion in the prominent San Francisco neighborhood of Atherton. Stephen came in at number 9 on the list of highest paid athletes in the world. He owns one of the fastest cars known to man, the Porsche 911. He has an incredible and expensive car collection. He has a Mercedes AMG G55. He got TCC 30 tattooed on his left hand. His tattoo stands for the trust, commitment and care. In his tattoo, the 30 is the jersey number with the Warriors. He celebrates their wedding anniversary on yacht. He was born in Akron, Ohio. His autograph. Quartz. His shoes collection. He was born on March 14, 1988. Haircut. Watch collection. Quartz. His collection. His style. Dunk. Trophy. Celebration. Two-time NBA MVP Stephen has a very fluffy Labradoodle named Reza. He is one of the most successful players in the NBA. He won 3 NBA championships with the Warriors. NBA Draft 2009 round 1 pick 7th overall. Charity work.